Hello. Hello. Oh, hello guys. It looks like audio video okay. Okay, so let me share my screen and just we are going to continue this Solace project. I had left it before. I think it has been quite a time. Okay, so yeah. But let me show you some values actually from the postman. First, let me share the postman where it is. Cool. Here it is. Okay. So suppose let me show you the first request, right? The request JSON is here, and let's go to the code. If you see, while we are calling the controller, flight booking controller, on the booking service, you see flight booking service, right? And here is the post mapping, and look at the post mapping. It is having, while calling the create method, it is looking into flight booking request, and request is kind of having these five things: passenger name, flight number, from to a traveler, passenger name, flight number, from to traveler. So in this syntax, basically in this format, we need to pass our request. It is a record, but it's okay. If it would have been a simple pose, that would also have one. But yeah, it's Java 17 plus thing, so we can go with the record. Okay, so suppose I have some name, maybe Michael. Okay, and he is coming from maybe from where I can say. I don't remember any code actually. Bombay, I think. BUM, Yeah, travel code. Let's go to the travel codes. Flight travel code for USA count. Some problem is having. चलो दिल्ली ही ले लेते हैं अभी के लिए. मान लो यूएसए से नहीं आ रहा है. He is coming from Delhi to maybe Hyderabad. HYD. Today is 24th. So let's make it 24th of May. Okay. Travel it. Now when we will basically when I click it, the request should be created. Okay. And that request, once it is created, where is controller again? Once this request is created, you can see it is going to create in a hash map, not like this. Yeah. So you have the booking. First it is creating the flight booking, and then it is putting into the map, which is hash map. I'm not putting into DB for now. So here you can see we are having into this hash map. So all the values which are there in the hash map, we can get with the method find all. And okay, let's come here. After putting into the map, what it is going to do, it is going to publish, right? If feature flag publish Don't look into the feature flags, just go to look into this publisher, like this booking publisher, which is a Solace topic, just like a publisher you can see, which is listening on this topic, app.solace.booking.queue, which is also written configured into the application.properties app.solace. Here you can see app.solace.bookingqueue. So the name of the flight, queue is flight.booking.queue. Okay, so in this queue it is going to publish the up publish the request, which is basically flight booking, nothing more. So what it is going to have, if you see booking ID, passenger name, flight number, from, to, travel date, status, created aircraft component. So these things it is going to publish into first in hash map. Basically, if we would have database, it is going to insert into the database, and now it is going to be inserting into or publishing the event into the Solace topic. Okay, so we will see that also, and let me hit it. Okay, before hitting, what I want to do, let me see if uh, okay, here let me show you the things which are up and running. So here it is a Docker container, the Solace project. You can see flight ticket Solace, flight booking API. These two containers are basically these are running. So there are 8008. This is for the WebSocket, I would say, transfer port, and this is 8080, the dashboard for the standard PubSub dashboard for this Solace. And this is our API, which is running on 8081. Okay, so let me open the Chrome. Yeah, so here you can see on 8081 our actuator is showing the health. Oh, it's taking time. Okay, this one. Okay, so you can see I had tested for multiple one, but we will look for the one which we are going to hit in the uh, hit web postman. So here you can see passenger name Michael. So Michael should be coming here when we call this API service booking API, which is a GET API, right? Let me show you that also. That should be also in the container, right? So here you can see, just look for the GET mapping. Yeah, this is the GET mapping. So what it is doing, simply it is calling booking service and finding all the data which is there in the hash map. Just like Java 8 syntax, you can see booking.values dot stream. So it is sorting on the base of flight booking created at in reverse order. Basically, latest one, last one is the latest one. So sorting on the basis of latest booking or last booking. Okay, so it is picking on that basis. So it will pick from there. So okay, cool. Our container is running. Our API, where it is, yeah, everything is working cool. Okay, I have not implemented Swagger. I can also do that. But for now, let's go to the Postman. That would be easy for now. And okay, you can see actuator health is good. One more thing I wanted to show you. This is actually the Solace dashboard, and let me see if you can be logged out. Okay, so when you are logged out, what is going to happen? Here you can see we have Solace. The default password is admin, so you can remember it, or it is also somewhere in output, I think, config file it is written. Let me see if I can show you where it is, the default password. Actually in the readme, I think this should be there if it is, otherwise it's okay. कोई नहीं, it's the admin. Don't worry, if I'll find I will show you. So just log in And once successfully the password everything matches, then you would be redirected to the dashboard, which is Solace dashboard. Look at this one. This is actually very helpful while you are dealing with the Solace topic or Solace queues. And let me show you the things which are actually helpful for you. The queues. Actually, there is one queue which we are working on. That queue is flight.booking.queue. If you remember, we had given this topic name flight.booking.queue. Okay, so the same name is showing here. So at least we are our solid dashboard is working fine. We can click on this and we can look for some things like how message queues. So there are no message queues because we have not any message queued here. Okay, and then settings, some settings may be exclusive, non-inclusive message queue. You can see incoming, these things are there. Maximum consumer count can be 1000. So on this topic, maximum 1000 consumers can listen simultaneously. And we don't have any subscriptions, it looks like. Consumers, okay, we have one consumer. Messages delivered, confirmed, 11 messages it has been delivered. So we will see if we hit using postman, then there should be 12, right? 12 messages delivered. And then message queued, messages we had, you can see the replication statics, replay statics, consumer bind statistics, queue data rates, message removed from the queue. Now these kind of stats you can see. Okay, and one hit the request. After that we will come to another. There is just important section actually, this try me, we will come to that also. First let me hit a request and we will see if Michael is successfully overloaded or not, or created or not. Okay, the request, I think it has went to the API backend. Awesome, I think it is created. Yeah, you can see this, we have booking ID now. Okay, cool, it is created. Let's go to the get API where it is. Here it should be, the latest one should be Michael. So just let's refresh it. Let's go for the pretty print. Let me open this in Firefox. Actually in Firefox we have colorful thing. The labels are colored, everything is colored. Oh. It's taking time. Okay, let's be here only. Once it is loaded, I will try to do that. Okay, so successfully we are able to create. And what we can do, 1 second. Hmm. So I think this Michael, okay, here you can see this is Michael, and we had done Delhi to Hyderabad, so it has created, confirmed, everything is working fine. Cool. So this is great. Now let's go to the queue. Their messages should be, last queue message ID should be 11 instead of, oh, sorry, 12, right? If it is queued, otherwise it would be 11, and there should be some problem. It should be from 11, it should be increased to 12, right? Awesome. Here you can see we have 12 now. So one more message is consumed. Basically first it came into this one, and then it has been consumed by this consumer. Okay, so here you can see message confirmed delivery is 12. Cool. And the last connect aviation, you can see activation, sorry, not aviation, 21 5, the last connect was. And the transaction session and delivery status, input stream, last acknowledged message ID is 12, message confirmed 12, which is great actually. And now let me take you to the try me, which is also very important thing. the important part of the actually this what we call Solace Dashboard. So here you can see for connection what we can do. You can see we call it generally Solace Cloud Console. If you have not done it, so the URL access to the cloud console would be the same 808, which is 8080 actually. One is okay. And once you go to, you just click on try me, service details, try me, open broker messenger, try me, publisher, establish connection, क्लाइंट यूजर नेम डालो, पासवर्ड डालो एंड उसके बाद ये कनेक्ट हो जाएगा. तो यहाँ पे देखो अभी नॉट कनेक्टेड दिखा रहा है ना, स्टेटस नॉट कनेक्टेड. लेट मी गो टेक यू टू द सर्विस. हियर यू कैन सी not this one, just let me take you to the try me portion. It is very important, you should be knowing this try me. Here what you can do, it is saying like you can directly publish some message and you can see a consumer. If a subscriber, here it is publisher subscriber, so the consumer producer consumer, it is kind of the subscriber. You can see subscribe, you can enter the topic name and then directly see the message like one console to other. Here produce, here consume, here produce, here consume, and you have to enter the name of the topic here. Cool. So we will see that. So here you can see it is not connected and localhost. This is the, you can see web service. I don't know. Just look at that. So we have the localhost 8008 port. Let me show into the container. This is the port 8008 in the Docker image, on which there would be the transfer of the message. Okay. And message VPN, do it default, client name is default, username is also default, password is also default. You can write it default, nothing, don't write it. It is generally admin name, so put it default, it's okay. It would, once you click on connect, should be connected. If there is some error, just fix this. And you can see we are having this topic, and instead of flight boarding this one, we need to enter our topic name, which is in the configuration here, and let's enter it here, flight booking queue. And now do not enter this one, otherwise a lot of JSON parsing error you would get. So we need to enter some syntax correct. This is response. If you remember, I am not directly entering this input because after the data is saved into DB or a hash map, then we are publishing that particular message into the Solace topic. So here the same thing is, this is the published record. Once this is the record to be sent to the Solace topic. Here you can see, just after saving the DB, this is the request, which request format which we get, and we just need to click it here. So instead of Michael, suppose I make it maybe Tiffany. Okay, everything, let me put it to be what? I don't remember the code here. CCU is Calcutta? CCU? I don't know. Flight codes, airports. IATA, we can see TXB, London, LHR, John F. Kennedy. Yeah, बढ़िया लग रहा है सुनने में. तो let's make it DXB from Dubai, नहीं, New York to Dubai. Next JFK to Dubai. JFK to Dubai. John F. Kennedy. Okay. And status, it is pending. It will make it pending. Should be confirmed. Okay, so we have direct message. You can see we have published it, but there are, okay, subscriber is not connected. Just click on connect. It will come. It will connect with the same default connection which we used while accessing this one, this producer, while connected with the publisher. So the same through there, you need not to fill those things. Here you can see everything is same as publisher, same as publisher, same as publisher. Just click on connect and it is connected. Cool. And now here you can give the subscribing topic where you want to get subscribed. So this is the suggestion. Let's fill it. Now we are going to be subscribe or listening on this one. Our consumer, our subscriber is going to is subscribed to this particular topic, and any message which is coming to this one will be consumed by it. Okay, just let me hide it. Cool. And one second, we have sent this one to the Kafka topic. The message should be now 13, right? Where it is, not this one. There should be one message. We have already delivered one more message. This time we are directly publishing via the what we call this queue. Okay, it is not published. It is 12 still. Okay, what is the problem? Topic client dot booking, that should be going right. Let me publish is one more. One direct. We published it. Okay, it is consumed, right? Here you can see. Now we got it. 14:29. This is the time. 14:29. Tiffany. This one. Okay, you can see it. It is consumed. Now let's go back to the. Here should be one more, right? It is consumed now. Basically, we are bypassing everything from IntelliJ code, everything. We are directly passing the message. Okay, it is not increasing the count. Message confirmed deliveries. I think it is not counting that particular message. Let me change the message ID. Maybe it is not taking. Okay, it's picking from the this value is coming from the hash map. It is not coming from the Kafka topic. So it was mistake because we are directly entering into Kafka, not Solace topic. So it won't be appearing there. Let me change this ID. Maybe because of that message it is not picking. Just let me publish it once more again. What happened? Okay, BY. Let me see if changing the message ID, booking ID actually. It is not increasing. There may be some problem, I don't know, but it is actually increasing. You see, we are publishing the message and it is being consumed by the consumer. Consumer is consuming and it is showing here when it consumed one. Cool. So this is the way we try it, but I'm not satisfied with here. Let's see the booking ID. There should be a new booking ID for Patricia. And status is pending, and when it is going to be confirmed, it is going to be confirmed by consumer only. Okay, it is going to be confirmed by consumer only. When consumer will consume, it is going to change the status to confirm after pending. Just let me see here if it is being read. Its status should be changed, confirmed. This is for Patricia, and the status is confirmed. Basically, this message is consumed by the this Solace topics consumer. So if I can show you, this message is consumed, right? So yes, if it is persistent, then what would be the changes? One persistent message we have cleared. So this message delivery should be now 13 because we fired one request from postman. That should be. So it is working when entire flow is basically running from controller to service to then Kafka top, sorry, not Kafka, the Solace topic. Everything when the entire flow is working, then basically this number message delivery is showing to be increased. But if I'm using this try me, then it is not increasing. Okay, so this is not increasing. Hmm. So this is the problem actually, I think. If I make it suppose confirmed, नहीं confirm तो क्यों नहीं करना pending it ठीक है so it is coming it is coming okay guys all this knowledge should be cool so now I'm wrapping this up so what we had simply we created a controller where it is yeah just a demo project for Solace UI right now and we had this listener, publisher, everything. This booking controller, request response service, these kind of things we had, and we subscribed. We created the Docker files of this one, and I have pulled the image of the Solace. Everything is working fine, and then we sent the request from Postman, and then hit it, and then successfully saw that we created the users booking and these are the different bookings using the gate API. We got the message here and then consumers direct everything you can see it here. Great day, thank you for being here. Stay tuned with the quick guys.